Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox. We're having a relief rally in the altcoin market. We're starting 2023 on a very bright note, but it looks as if that rally is coming to an end. The Sandbox has hit major resistance, even though we're up 68% in the last 1 month. Guys, let's not get carried away. We're still deep in gobbling town. On a yearly time frame, Sandbox is still down 78.4%. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll be looking at critical levels where Sandbox might go to if we have hit resistance and this rally is over. We'll also be looking at Sandbox performance against Bitcoin, the Sandbox performance against Ethereum, and we'll also take a peek at the Sandbox market cap, which has rallied above the $1 billion region. Are we going to continue pumping to higher prices, blasting to the $2 billion region, or will the Sandbox come back to test the $500 million region where we bottom in this bear market? We're going to be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We started 2023 on a very bright note in the altcoin market. We saw altcoins pumping to the upside, starting 2023 having a rally. But guys, we're still deep in the crypto bear market. We're still deep in gobbling town. We saw altcoins losing so much value in 2022. For the Sandbox, it's still down around 78.4% from where it was trading 1 year ago. This is the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We saw this altcoin pumping to the moon in the previous bull run. We saw this altcoin outperforming Bitcoin. We also saw it outperforming Ethereum. Against the US dollar, the Sandbox went up more than 27,000% in just 387 days. That's how crazy altcoins can pump to the moon when the market is very, very bullish. $1,000 invested in the Sandbox in November 2020 would have returned more than $282,000 by November 2021. But altcoins pumping to the upside in the bull market leads them to dump to gobbling town in the bear market. And right now, we're deep in the crypto bear market because we had huge bull runs in 2020 and 2021. The Sandbox are one of the huge gainers in that bull run is turning out to be one of the biggest losers in this bear market. Because in this bear market, the Sandbox went from as high as $8.45, dropping to as low as $0.38, losing more than 95% of its value in the process. But this is very, very normal for altcoins. We're seeing a lot of altcoins dump that low in the bear market, and when the bull market comes around, they pump to the moon, recovering all those losses. But right now, we're having a huge bounce in the altcoin market. So is this just a dead cat bounce to the upside? Are we just having a huge bull trap that's setting us up for one final dump to the downside? We've seen the Sandbox go up 113% since when this rally started. But this is the highest rally we have seen for the Sandbox since the end of the bull market. We've had some little rallies along the way. This rally was a 79% pump. We had a rally in June 2022. That rally took us up around 90%. Right now, the Sandbox is up more than 100% since when this rally started. So is it the rally we have been waiting for? Are we going to continue pumping to higher prices? The Sandbox has hit a major resistance level around the $0.82 region. If we get rejected at this level, guys, we might see the Sandbox going back to the $0.37 region, maybe even dropping to new all-time lows. With altcoins, you don't want to ever say never. The fact that you're buying these altcoins deep into gobbling town doesn't mean they can't keep dumping to gobbling town. Guys, with altcoins, volatility is a future. They can be volatile both to the upside and both to the downside. If the Sandbox bottom is not in, if we see the altcoin market tanking, if we see Bitcoin going back to the lows we set, we see Ethereum going back to the lows we set, we might see altcoins dumping to gobbling town very aggressively, and we might see the Sandbox even breaking the $0.37 region, dropping to as low as $0.17. And if we see the Sandbox dropping that low in this bear market, the Sandbox will be down around 98% from its all-time high, which is still somehow normal for altcoins. If the Sandbox is going to rally up back to new all-time highs from where we're currently trading right now, the Sandbox will have to rally up around 1,000%. It has to go from the $0.72 level back above $8.6, which means $1,000 invested in the Sandbox right now should return over $10,000. But for you to enjoy that pump in the future, you have to be willing to invest right now deep in the crypto bear market. For long-term investors, this bear market is going to be very, very pivotal. For long-term investors, a lot of them will become millionaires by the end of the next bull run. And why will that happen? Is because they are willing to invest deep in the bear market when altcoins are down bad, when a lot of people are scared for one final dump to the downside. They keep investing, they keep dollar cost averaging. And guys, if you're buying these altcoins, don't get carried away by the green candles you're seeing. Throughout this rally, I've been advocating for us to stay patient, for us to remember we're still deep in the crypto bear market. So even though altcoins might pump on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, also on a monthly time frame, you don't want to be buying those green candles. You want to wait for those pullbacks, you want to wait for those dumps before you continue your accumulation. Because if you go all in and we get that one final dump to the downside, you won't have any capital to deploy. And guys, there'll always be opportunities in crypto. Don't ever feel left out. Don't feel as if you have missed the boat. Right now, the Sandbox is hitting major resistance. If we can blast above the $0.8 region, the next level where the Sandbox might face some difficulties as we're pumping to higher prices might be above $1 when we get to that $1.3 level. But remember, guys, those people that are going to be profitable by the end of the next bull run when the Sandbox is breaking to new all-time highs, when we'll see the Sandbox trading around the $30 region, are those people that are going to be diligently dollar cost averaging, investing deep in the bear market. If you take a look at some details about the Sandbox, in the last 1 month, this altcoin has gone from as low as $0.37 to as high as $0.84. With a market cap of $1.1 billion, the Sandbox has a fully diluted market cap of $2.2 billion. A maximum supply of over 3 billion tokens and a circulating supply of 1.5 billion tokens. The Sandbox is ranked 47 on CoinMarketCap with 2.2 million people having this altcoin on their watch list. The Sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual world allowing users to create, build, buy, and sell digital assets in form of a game. By combining the power of decentralized autonomous organization and non-fungible tokens, the Sandbox creates a decentralized platform for a thriving gaming community. If you want to buy some Sandbox tokens in this bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run, if you want to be among those investors that will be shouting kumbaya when we see the Sandbox pumping to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run, and you want to get some for yourself, you can get some Sandbox tokens on Binance, on Qcoin, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Uniswap, on Bitstamp, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Sandbox tokens right there. Now let's take a look at Sandbox performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the bull market, we all saw Sandbox outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. Sandbox was basically pumping in a straight line to the moon. But after the bull market comes the bear market. After the pump in the bull market comes the huge dumps in the bear market. And we've seen the Sandbox in this bear market lose more than 84% of its value against Bitcoin. Guys, even though we're seeing a relief rally in the altcoin market, you want to be careful with those altcoin rallies against Bitcoin. The last time we saw the Sandbox rally up around 79% against Bitcoin, what happened? We saw this altcoin continue dumping to Goblin Town. And now in this rally, we have seen the Sandbox outperform Bitcoin by around 61%. The only problem is we have hit major resistance and we might see the Sandbox continue dumping to Goblin Town. But if you're a long-term investor, that is going to be music to your ears because you have been dollar cost averaging and you'll be waiting for that one final dump so that you can get more Sandbox for yourself, getting ready for the next bull run. If you see the Sandbox performance against Ethereum, it's mirroring its performance against Bitcoin. So maybe just maybe the rally is not over. Maybe just maybe the Sandbox still has some juice in the tank that will see us pumping to higher prices. But guys, ultimately, in the bear market, you see altcoins losing value both against Bitcoin and Ethereum after the Sandbox outperformed Ethereum in the bull market by over 5,000%. In this bear market, it has dumped by more than 83% against Ethereum. You might be wondering, why do altcoins continue dumping against Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market? Guys, it's because in the bull market, we had this wonderful pumps to the upside. In the bear market, when a lot of people start seeing their altcoins dumping to Goblin Town, they run towards safety, and safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and it's Ethereum. That's why you see people flipping their altcoins for some Bitcoin and Ethereum when the market starts dumping to Goblin Town. If you take a look at the Sandbox market cap, we have rallied above the $1 billion region. The Sandbox market cap got to as high as $1.2 billion. But guys, we hit heavy resistance at that level, and the Sandbox has gotten rejected at that $1.2 billion region. So maybe just maybe this is the end of the rally that might lead us back to either the $500 million region. If that level doesn't hold, the Sandbox market cap can even drop to as low as $100 million in this bear market. That's my worst case scenario. But if we see the rally continue to the upside, the Sandbox might face some resistance at that $2 billion region. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, are you accumulating more Sandbox tokens right now deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? How high do you see the Sandbox going in this relief rally? If the rally is not over and we continue dumping to Goblin Town, at what level do you think the bottom will come in for the Sandbox? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Always remember guys, when it comes to investing, time is your friend. See you guys in my next video.